we're back. With a boat. And something that's giant and red, so I assume it needs to be blown up.
It's going fast, and...
It's been way too long.
I've got a nautical theme. Patch me in Afghan.
Yes.
Yeah, I was gonna say, I already said my part.
John Seed's region. I see somebody over there. It looks like they need rescuing. What's going on, peoples?
Listen up, kid. The valley is turning into a war zone.
Do you think there's some smartass in the cult who goes up to, like, all the Seed brothers, like, what's planting, guys? What's planting?
Wait, who the fuck's seen? You. Come on, there we go.
Hold on, turn on. Is that a lectern with a pistol and a Bible on it?
Yes, it is.
Oh. Fuck yeah.
Whoa!
That was one hell of a high kick. Yes,
That was one hell of a
no.
distance for that pistol to fly.
Dude can hold his own in a fight, but I'm worried he's gonna get in over his head.
Cool. Merle Briggs. I don't know who that is. We're gonna go blow this up, and then get us a dog.
So light it up.
Merle Briggs. Here we go.
Up.
That way.
Gonna get us a
Blow that
pepper.
up first.
Hup.
No, just blow it up.
This guy. He might have a sniper rifle though, and I want his sniper rifle. Fuck it.
You gonna go snapping?
This is a sniper rifle. Yes. Thank you. Yeah, da. Anyway. Good enough. Peace out. What? What? Who the fuck died? Whatever. They were stupid enough. Dumb motherfuckers. Garden View Orchards.
Cultists are silly.
Yep. Fuck you in your truck. Wait, hold on. Do I have, I do have a bro. Join me, bro.
Keep your eyes out for me.
I'm more interested in the giant apple.
Me?
Let's go check it out.
It's New York.
No. You are super unobservant.
So personally, I feel like if you've watched House of Cards or have been to Georgia...
Ow!
I've been to Georgia. I've watched a little bit of House of Cards.
They talk about having the,
Giant peach.
giant peach.
With the fucking clitoris.
The vagina peach.
Yes.
So I'm curious...
Oh, holy shit, it actually exists.
I know.
Yeah. Driving back and forth from... What is
If you've
this?
watched the show or have been to Georgia. Or, I mean, I guess that part of Georgia, not just Georgia in general.
There's a cougar in the car. Yes.
But, I mean, I was hoping that apple would look more like a butt or something, but...
We're going deer hunting. Die.
Ooh!
According to what I've heard, you don't need an AR-15 to go deer hunting.
Well, I'm doing it anyway.
I'm a little offended right
The
now.
reason probably is it takes 5 shots to kill it.
Exactly. Good, thanks.
I mean, it shouldn't, but I guess if you're donal, it
Hey,
does.
shut up. Eat a dick. Don't care. Some random RPG shit down here. Look out, buddy. Deer skinned. Oh, I can't climb it. That's lame.
It still doesn't look like a butt.
Speaking of Peach, do you remember that movie or the book James and the Giant
What the-
Peach?
Yeah.
Where the giant peach that gets stuck on top of the Eiffel Tower and it's just hanging out there?
Cool.
Yep.
What route do we want to go? Parachute, grapple,
The
ammo.
Let's say ammo.
I would do ammo.
Yeah.
Close combat, handgun, and melee
Grapple
weapons.
would have been a good another choice.
There's nothing quite like, we'll get that next.
Yeah. Ammo for sure, though.
You, random person. You look like you have something to say to me.
I've heard a dog barking out at Ray Ray's for the past few hours. It's gotta be Boomer. Something ain't right, because he's usually...
Even the
so
civilians look like hipsters in this game.
They really do.
Look at that fucking...
Is it a going
Haircut.
out west kind of thing? That
I guess. Oh, hey. Another giant red thing to explode.
So, for the record, I switched from Budweiser to Yingling because although Budweiser likes to proclaim themselves as being the most American of beers,
Yingling is older.
Yingling is the oldest brewery in America. So,
History lessons from Sinju.
Jim Beam is the oldest distiller in America.
Doesn't mean I still don't like Maker's Mark more.
Making a move.
I'm drinking Dead Guy. I believe they're out of
Same.
Oregon, I think. Is that right?
I don't know.
I'm gonna do a fact check.
Alright.
the important thing that was brewed in America.
Well, we were talking about hipsters and all that, even though Dead Guy's not a
Oh,
hipster.
even better.
But, you know, Portland, Oregon, I mean, I hear that's like the hipster capital.
Basically.
I mean, Rogue's a pretty...
Yeah, Rogue, I believe, is Oregon. Could be wrong.
They're definitely microbrew. They're...
Come here, dog.
Or what do you call that in-between, not quite macro brew?
Ow, no. I want my hoe.
Press E to pet.
I'm trying to. Oh, no, he's good. He's got to press X to mourn. Oh, sad dog is sad. It's okay. I will pet you once, and that will be sufficient. Now we are bonded for life. Come with us, dog.
Newport, Oregon. Actually.
Sweet. Specialists. The dog is special. Got it. Oh, they died holding hands.
What the fuck, bro?
I just like turned around and I caught him like shooting the heads off of the two others holding him.
Yes.
So it's
What the fuck is wrong with this guy?
A whole lot. I'm a nihilist. Deal with it.
Let me tell you, that dog, he'll sniff out trouble and watch your back better than you can believe.
There we go.
I don't understand how you can take 6 shots to shoot the gunner, and then 1 right in the face for the driver.
Well, it's luck of the draw. We take what we can get.
and 5 shots for the deer, or was it 4?
Shut up, assholes.
The unarmed deer.
No, it was very clearly armed and coming right for me. Self-defense.
It was horny.
I need to drink. I need to drink more.
Technically they're antlers, but I was trying to make a pun.
Don't care. Don't care. Alright, where do we want to go? Looks like there's something over here. Smoke usually means outposts. Far Cry has taught me anything. Let's use our newfound... Wait. Did it actually put him in my group? Nope. Arrgh. No.
Oh,
Oh.
look at the woofer.
Sure, will do.
Actually, he's technically a doggo, I believe.
You're right.
He is both.
A doggo and a woofer.
Oh, shit.
Woofers are big puppers.
Nope. Nope, you can't see me. I'm John Cena up in this bitch.
I think it goes pupper, doggo, woofer.
Yeah,
He's
you're
a
right.
doggo.
He's a big doggo.
Fucking take a knife!
Yeah, I think he is a doggo.
He's not quite
Ow!
He looks
A
like
woofer.
he looks
beat
like
the
a
shit out of you.
cowboy of some kind.
Liberated.
My God.
Liberated.
Could be wrong. I mean, I don't know
like
some
like a sheepdog.
almost like a
Like
healer,
67
actually.
Oh,
pounds.
are you kidding me? Fuck your alarm.
Wow. So we're definitely not doing stealth today.
I guess not. I tried saving some people, you know, being a good Samaritan and whatnot, and all these motherfuckers causing problems. Oh yeah, yeah, they're really not happy about this. So much for Boomer going in there and like, oh, key, cool. And checking shit, but
Think they have any cider here?
well, we're about to find out. Oh, fuck off. Oh, wow. Wow, this is really not cool.
You can tag team here.
I'm out of health kits. Fantastic. Well, you. What the fuck? I mean, thanks?
He's trying to go for a more tactical position.
Hey, liberated. Was not stealthy, but a lot of headshots. I'll take that.
You done did it. It's good.
Saved a couple of people, liberated the farm. Perfect. It's like, motherfucker, yeah, he's just sitting up top eating an apple. They better have cider.
You just liberated an orchard. That's
I did.
the exact correct thing to do.
It's a fair point. It's a fair point. Hey, the corpses stayed.
I guess in my case, I would drink some hard cider.
Exactly. Agreed.
But
Someone is taking from us,
You'd be so handy.
stealing what rightfully belongs to the father.
Fuck you, John.
They are a murderer and a coward.
see, look, that was a distilling vat, wasn't it?
Uh,
That
yeah, it is.
Then they will be punished.
You gotta have some cider
So
around here.
where's the fucking cider?
I know you can get alcohol in this game. See, look at this. If I really felt like being stealthy, I could have absolutely gone through that. Alright, where's the safe? I know there's a safe around here somewhere. Cool.
And I think they found one. The more you take from the cult, the more people will be willing to help you fight back. Touch
Blow the safe. Wow, that's disappointing.
$250 for that?
There are nothing coming, Orchard.
It's, yeah, whatever. Okay.
I feel like $250 is about how much it costs to buy another remote explosive.
Well, I can craft them now. Boom. 3 of them. Alright. Come on, doggo. We're moving.
He's got a mission.
He does. I don't think I've got shit for money. Unless I've used my money for my other shit. Or shop. $1,400. Let's see. Can I get a silencer?
Did you understand that?
I'm hanging in there.
Huh?
It's
Oh, let's see if we can...
one of those just kind of nod,
Sure, okay.
you know,
Yeah, totally.
nod and agree. Yeah, yes,
Oh.
yes, I did understand that. And that's a
Whatever.
very good.
Fuck it.
Nice work getting rid of those cultists. Might be you could help me with something else.
Sure.
The right fruit is attracting bears. Under normal circumstances, we try and
Oh,
catch
dude,
them
that
and
fucking
release them more safely.
hoodie is
These
awesome.
bears
Yeah.
listen to
Was
some
it
of that
Born to be
crap
Wild?
cult has
Yep.
stored out back.
Oh,
It's making
fuck
them
yes.
act
Probably
all
Moon on the front.
too dangerous
That
to
is the
catch.
kind of shit
Gotta put
I want to
it
buy
back.
in real life.
Just Moon hoodies.
Yes.
Bare necessities. Alright. Let's go kill some bears.
Do 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 do.
Do 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 do.
That's as much of the song I know.
Yep. Wow, tough ass fucking bear. Get him, Boomer!
I'm sorry, it's a bear? So yes.
Ah!
It is.
Come here, you son of a bitch. That's one down.
Right in the butt.
Right up in there. Alright, where's the other ones?
Oh shit, there are multiple bears?
Yes.
Damn.
Oh, fuck!
You should have clicked faster.
I should have. Ow! Fuck off, bear.
He's trying to.
Ha! No escape. Of course there's a bear in here.
Probably a fucking stoned bear.
Fuck it. Yes.
Oh
Detonate
shit.
the bear. Good enough. Oh, Boomer! Get up, buddy. My dog is nearly on the verge of death. I'll just give him a pet. He's fine.
I mean,
Oh, Zach
what else are you gonna do?
Administer actual medical aid? Whatever. Hup. Alright, I think I got some money.
I have my first aid merit badge, but they did not teach me how to do puppy CPR.
Give us some ibuprofen.
Hup.
Drink some water, have some ibuprofen, call it a day.
Let's grab us, here we go. Little Mac 10. No, equip it, goddammit. God damn it.
Damn it, Bobby.
Damn it, Bobby.
Shovel is just constantly smiling at you.
Alright. Good jump, dog. Is there anything up here?
That's probably where you're supposed to stealth from.
Probably. I'm sorry, I was busy being a good Samaritan and saving people. Oh, hey, ammo. What do you know? Yeah.
Those things are a bitch to kill.
Trucks. Alright, let's see.
Falls End is...
Fuck it. We're heading that way. Let's see if we can liberate Falls End. 2 kilometers away. I like how there's just random corpses in the orchard. That can't be good for apple growth.
It's for fertilization.
That's true. That's true. Ah, the beautiful lands of Montana land. What the fuck? Oh.
Beautiful lands
Wait,
of Montana.
no. Fuck. Fuck it.
Those are a bitch to kill.
Yeah.
Because if you're behind them, you're not going to be able to hit shit.
Got him.
Damn! Take back what I
Come
said
here.
about this.
Stop, goddammit!
Oh, Boomer. Boomer, come back! Boomer!
This fucking car! Trying to save you, bro. There we go.
Should have shot it going uphill.
Oh, for fuck's sake. Well, I tried.
Do you still get points for saving him?
I probably not. Whatever. Oh, they seem to be nonplussed.
They seem to be very blessed.
There we go. Fuck them. Well, that did not go as planned, but whatever. It got
Take the
done.
truck.
That's true. Let's drive this shit. I don't think Boober can get in the truck.
It sounds like a sitcom, Rookie and Boomer.
Dun 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 dun. Oh shit.
I mean, he'll fall along. He's a fast dog.
That's true. Pretty sure he's got some manner of teleportation capabilities. Got him. Is that a mortar back there? Jesus Christ.
Better safe than sorry.
Run! I guess there's something to look up there.
I ran
Hi.
into this guy out by the lookout tower who says he's on a patriotic tour of America. It's like he didn't even give a shit that the cult was around. He's not careful, he's gonna get caught.
Willis! We'll talk to him later. See you, lady. What? What the fuck? Nice moonslide, not enough. Alright, I swear I'm gonna actually save you. Not like the, poor dude before.
She doesn't know about the other dude, so don't,
That's true. Hey, and she's willing to fight for us. Cool. Congratulations. You're hired. See ya. I have a dog.
Go kill some cult members.
Don't die.
I was gonna say it's almost a mechanic. Boomer has to decide.
I believe so. If not, alongside. Here we go. No! Son of a bitch.
see, I always just drive past these people.
Most of the time I do too, but,
I still can't believe they
we're running in the street, buddy. Oh, there we go.
many trucks and cars and whatnot on their side. I mean, it's they ordered it all at once.
Yep. Well, took from most people. Clutch Nixon.
I'm more impressed by their art department because they have really quality logos, branding. It's fucking on point.
It's that scene from Django. Alright, now we all appreciate Steve's ma and Steve's wife for making all the hoods.
I can't see fucking shit out of this thing.
Can't see shit. Oh, yeah!
Sandwiched.
Wrecked. Thank you, buddy. You're probably dead.
Montana.
Hey!
Sam.
Oh, wow.